Welcome to the opening ceremony of the Pearl Harbor Memorial Parade. Today's events will commemorate the past while celebrating the future with music, culture, and an all-American salute to our veterans and their families.
On this day some 72 years ago, 5 minutes before 8 a.m., Japanese planes unexpectedly raced across the mountains north of Pearl Harbor to strike the Pacific Fleet ships at their anchor. On behalf of the 160,000 Boeing employees around the world, Boeing is proud to be a sponsor of this event that recognizes the men and women that selflessly responded that Sunday morning.
I have such high regard for all of the young people that are out here doing their very best to show what this country means to them.
They demonstrated the courage and the sacrifice in the defense of their country while setting the standard for those who serve today around the world, and many of them are standing here before you right now. On behalf of Boeing, we thank you for the privilege to be part of this event.